everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study again the fraction word problem. This is also a continuation. Problem number 8. I will read first the problem. The 3/5 of a basket of fruits are apples, while the rest are oranges. If there are 39 apples, how many fruits are there altogether? Solution. We have to write down the given, and we will make two columns, one for the fraction and one for the fruits. The given fraction 3/5 equals to 39 fruits, and 2/5 is the hidden problem, and 5/5 is the ask for the problem, the totality of the fruits in a certain basket. To solve the problem, our plan is to divide 39 divided by 3/5. Then 39 we're going to multiply by using the reciprocal method, and we're going to reciprocate the second fraction. The 3/5 now becomes 5/3. Then multiply horizontally the whole number and the numerator. 39 times 5 equals 195. Then divided by 3. Then the 5/5 now is 65. So our complete answer, there are 65 fruits together. If we're going to check our answer, the 3/5 equals to 39. The 5/5 is 65. Reverse computation, we're going to minus 65 minus 13 equals 26. And we're going to add 39 plus 26 equals 65. So therefore, our answer is correct. Okay, the next problem is number 9. Mario and Marie have 1,200 pieces altogether. Mario has 1.5 times as much money as Marie. How much more money does Mario have than Marie? Our solution, given, then we have to write two columns, one for the fraction and one for the amount. Then for the fraction given is 1.5 for Mario, and fraction or whole number. And we're going to add the fraction with a total of 2.5, and the total amount is 1,200. And we're going to find the 1.5 Mario and the 1 whole share of Marie. To solve the problem, we are going to divide 1,200 divided by 2.5. Then 1,200 we're going to change the mixed number into improper fraction. 2 times 2 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. So that's why we have 5/2. And then we will apply the reciprocal method. 1,200 times the reciprocal of 5/2 is 2/5. Then multiply the whole number and the numerator. 1,200 times 2/5 now. And we're going to divide 2,400 divided by 5. We have 480 share of Marie for the amount. Okay. Then the next we're going to solve how much for Mario amount. So we're going to multiply 480 times 1.5. So 480 times 3/2. Then 480 times 3, 1,440, divided by 2 equals 720 for Mario. So therefore, our 1.5, the amount is 720, and for Marie is 480, with a total of 1,200. So that's not the final answer, because we have to follow the what is here? What is asking the problem? The problem asks for how much more money does Mario have than Marie. So the difference. So since Mario have 720 and Marie have 480, we have to minus 720 minus 480. We have 240 pesos. So our complete answer now, Mario has 240 pesos more. So we have to check our answer. So the fraction 1.5, the amount, this is for Mario 720, and the 1 whole share of Marie's 480. Then we're going to total 1,200. So therefore correct now is our answer.